Welcome to Litchfield Park. I'm Patty with AZ & Associates, and today I want to show you this beautiful home. This completely remodeled home features 3 bedrooms, an office, and just under 2,000 square feet of living. From the moment you enter, you're greeted by wood look tile opening up to the family room. Off the family room is a large open concept kitchen with quartz countertops and new stainless steel appliances. Down the hall, you'll find all 3 bedrooms, including a large master with a gorgeous glass shower. Out back is a large pie-shaped lot with diving pool and pool bath. For more information on this home, call me at 623-229-3717. Thank you.